Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee until 3:30 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springville, or 9 miles north of Camden, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waverly, Arion, McCune, Tennessee Ridge, Cumberland City, and Houston County Airport. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Stewart, Tennessee,